I'm so bored. What is there to do? I think I have an idea. I think I might go ask Amy out. I don't think she's taken. I think she is single. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go on and ask Amy out for a date. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and ask her out. So I know she's not taken. She says she's single. So I think I'm gonna go ask her out. So here I go.
What a lovely day it is out here today.
Hey, Amy, what's up?
What do you want, Crackles?
Well, I just wanted to ask you that, I was wondering that if you would like to go on a date with me, because I know you're single, because you say you're not with Sonic anymore, because Sonic always runs away from you. He doesn't want you. So I was wondering, will you please take me, and I'll be a better man for you. I promise you, I'll be a better man for you. I'll give you anything. I'll give you anything you want. I'll take you out anywhere. I'll give you a nice home. I'll give you everything you want. So, will you, please be my girlfriend? Will you please be my girlfriend, please? Please? Oh, what the heck was that for, baby? Oh, what the fuck was that for? Oh, I just wanted to be your girlfriend. Why would you hit me like that?
Because, Crackles, the fact you didn't ask me out is more stupid and ridiculous. And to be honest, I am already taken by my boyfriend, Sonic. How can you not understand that I have been in love with Sonic for like over 30 years by now? I would never, ever ditch him for a fat, ugly loser like you. So why don't you go cry in the corner and go find someone else? Because I would never, ever ditch my Sonic for such a fat, ugly little tomato-looking bitch like you. You know what? I'm out of here.
Why would Amy do this to me? She was single. Man, can I ever get a girlfriend? Because everyone hates my guts. Everyone calls me ugly. They call me fat and stupid. This is not fair. I just wish I had a girlfriend on my own. Yo, oh my gosh, who's crying so loud over here? Huh? Crackles, why are you over here crying like that? What's going on with you? You see, Mighty, well, I tried to ask out Amy so she could be my girlfriend, but no, she rejected me. She just basically slapped me in the face and she's been mean to me and all that other shit. She called me ugly. She called me a loser. And she said she will never ditch Sonic. And she don't want to be with me. I wish I had a girlfriend. Oh, jeez, Crackles. I'm really sorry to hear that, man. But hey, you want to know something? I think I have an idea for you. I know how exactly where I can make Amy fall in love with you forever. You serious? Muddy, you can actually do that for me? Yeah, of course, Crackles. I mean, ever since I've been watching the other Mighty that he got sprayed by Love Potion with Classic Knuckles, I can basically do the same, which is I can make a love potion for you, and if you maybe basically spray it in Amy's face, she will actually fall in love with you forever. You're a genius, Mighty. Thank you so much. You know what? I'm gonna go make a love potion right now. So I'll be right back.
3 hours later.
Oh my god, what is taking Crackles so long to make that darn love potion? Marty, I actually made the love potion. It actually worked. Yo, guess what? This love potion, I actually made it. So, guess what? I think I'm gonna give this love potion a test. So, I think I have just the people of mine that I can actually make this work. So, Shadow, Tails, come here, please. What's going on, Crackles? What do you want? So what's going on?
Yeah, what's up, Crackles? What's going on?
Well, nothing much. Just a little bit of this. Oh, my eyes. Oh, what the heck, Crackles? You sprayed in my eyes. You sprayed that shit in my eyes.
Oh, my eyeballs! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! What the fuck was that, Crackles?
I hope this works, okay, if this works, I swear to gosh, I hope that this should work on Amy too. I swear to gosh, I hope this works. I hope it works. I hope it works. Oh my eyes. Oh, why do I see funny things? Oh, what do I see?
Oh my gosh, my face hurts so fucking bad. Oh, what in the world do I...
Oh my gosh. Where have you been in my life, Tails? Oh my gosh. Don't you look so handsome to death? Oh my gosh, you are so darn cute.
Oh, my Shadow Coo. Oh, that's so sweet. I could basically be thinking of the same thing about you. Oh my gosh, my Shaddy. Oh, ain't you so cute? Ain't you so adorable?
Oh, I can basically think the same way about you for my feelings.
Me too.
I think I love you, Tails.
Oh, I love you too, my Shaddy. Come here.
Oh my gosh! Shadow and Tails are dating! Shadow is dating Tails, and Tails is dating Shadow! Oh my gosh, that is so fucking hilarious right now! Oh Tails, please kiss me more.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, more. Oh Tails, do you want to take this somewhere more private?
Oh yes, Daddy. Oh, where should we go do this at?
Let's go to the closet and we can do it each other in there.
Oh, good thinking.
Oh yeah, I agree. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, they went in the closet and made out in there. Oh my gosh, this potion does work still. I'm surprised that I watched a video that's to make love potions and actually worked. I know how to make love potions now, so yay! Yo, Marty, it works, so that means I guess I can go ahead and date Amy now since this potion worked. Oh yeah, good luck, Crackles. Well, I hope you two have fun. Hope for the best of your lives. Yeah, I will. Thank you so much, Mighty. You are awesome, man. Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna go do this right now. So, bye. Okay, there she is.
I can't wait until my Sonic comes back.
Okay, here I go. Hope this works. Okay, you got this. You got this. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? What the? Crackles? What the heck are you doing here? And what is that?
Oh, well, this is just some perfume that I wanted to show you, Amy. Now, I know you're the kind of girl that always loves to wear perfume, so, I got some perfume for you. So, do you like it?
Well, Crackles, I'm better enough than I'm gonna be last year for today. I got enough perfume as I need for now, so I'm gonna have to skip on the pass for that.
Oh, come on. Would you at least just want to at least try some?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, please. Just try just some for once.
Fine. Just go ahead and spray some on me then.
Ooh. I'll be so gladly. Here.
What the? My face! Ow! That stuff got at my face! Oh my gosh, it hurts!
Oh no! Amy, wake up! Please, get up! Please, Amy, are you okay? Please, speak to me!
Oh, why do I feel so dizzy? Oh, my eyes hurt. Oh, what in the world is that?
Hey, Amy, are you feeling okay?
Oh, am I okay? I am more than okay. Where have you been up to in my life, Crackles? At the first time, I thought I would never see you so distracted.
Oh my gosh. Really?
Yes, I can't stop looking at your sweet, cute, beautiful, pretty face.
Oh gosh, she called me beautiful, and she called me cute, and she called me pretty. Oh my gosh. Really, Amy?
Yes, and you're so handsome too, my cracky poo.
She called you cracky poo. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I have to ask her the biggest question ever. Hey, Amy, can I ask you such a special question?
Ask me anything, cracky poo.
Okay. So, hey, do you want to be my girlfriend?
Oh, I would love to be your girlfriend, Crackles. I thought you never asked.
Yes, I got a girl. Let's go. I got a girlfriend. Let's go. Yes. I have finally got a girlfriend of my own now. Yes.
Oh, you're so cute when you get excited. Let me get a little closer to you.
Oh, yes, really?
Oh yes. A cracky poo.
Yes.
What?
Just kissed me. She just kissed me. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Oh, I love you too, baby. Come here. So, Amy, you want to go take this somewhere private, just you and me?
I would love to cracky poo.
Oh, me too, my Amy too. Let's go, babe. Let's go.
Okay.
The next day.
Oh, I love you so much, Amy. I wish this could just last forever and ever until the end.
Oh, me too, my cracky poo.
Oh yeah, my Amy too. Huh? What's wrong?
Get off of me! You are disgusting. You honestly think I would ever be with you? What was I even doing here? What was I kissing you? Ew! You are gross. I'm out of here.
No, Amy, please, wait, come back, Amy! Amy, wait, please come back! You're supposed to love me forever! Where you going?
Ew! Love you? Love you? I better die than love you, you fat, ugly piece of crap! I'm out of here!
No! What? The potion ran off! Are you serious? No! You gotta be freaking kidding me! Why does this day have to get any worse? Hey, you! Crackles! Were you making out with my girlfriend last night, man? Hi, Sonic. No. I wasn't making out with your girlfriend. No. It was a big misunderstanding. I swear to gosh, it was a big misunderstanding. I swear I didn't do anything. I swear to gosh, I didn't even do anything. Oh, hell no. I saw what you did, buddy. You put on love potion on her and you were making out with her last night. I was so embarrassed and so embarrassing and mad. And now you are dead to me. Get over here. Oh, crap. Things just got worse. No, Sonic. Please, Sonic. We can talk about this. Tails, you're so hot. You too, Shadow. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Was I kissing you? And was I kissing you? What the heck? What the fuck is going on? I don't freaking know. All I remember is that Crackles called us over for something, and then we got sprayed with some stuff, and then I passed out. Exactly, like the same thing happened to me. Like, what the heck?
You know what, Shadow? I got a feeling that that Crackles did something to us.
Yeah, I got that same feeling too, Tails. Now we gotta pay Crackles a little visit.
Yeah, I agree. Let's go teach that dumb Crackles a lesson.
Yeah, let's go get him. Hey, you know what? I think I have enough of this love potion for today. I'm not gonna go on after around more girls anymore. I'm done with relationships. I don't care about them anymore. I'm just gonna stand myself. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put this love potion up. So yeah, I'm just gonna go put it up. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put this love potion back right here. So yeah, since it was just right here, yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it here for the day. So, yeah, this was pretty much at least the best potion I could ever make for right now. So, yeah. Yo, Crackles, we gotta beat the pig with you, brat.
Yeah, we gotta beat the pig with your ass.
Oh, so what do you losers want? We want payback from you for trying to make us fall in love with each other.
Yeah, you're trying to make us look gay. How dare you do that to us, Crackles?
Yeah, so any last words before me and Tails beat you to the ground, bitch? Oh yeah, I do. So, oh yeah, I do. Eat this! And beat this!
Oh, no, not again. Oh.
Oh, Tails.
Oh, Shadow.
Let's go take this to the closet. Let's go back to the closet again.
Oh, yeah, last night was fun. Let's do it again.
Oh, yeah, I agree. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
That cannot ever get old. Alright, I think that's enough for one day with this, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. You did it again, Crackles. You are a genius.